back to my channel. I just want to do a quick video. I'm going to do an unboxing of Sephora and also Ipsy. This is the small Ipsy package, and this is the Sephora Play, or I think it's called Play by Sephora. I just want to show you two of the inexpensive packages that I received. I know a lot of us always show you kind of more expensive packages, so I just want to show you some that you can get that are more budget friendly, I guess. And if you're having a hard time picking between the two, let me just give you an idea of what each one will look like. And this is for the month of August, so you'll see what I got from each one for this month, okay? So I'm going to open up Ipsy first. Ipsy is offering a deal right now. If you sign up before October 1st, since their price is going up on the smaller package, I believe it's going up to $12 a month. If you sign up for a year with them, so for the year subscription, you could still pay for the $10 a month, but you'd pay it all up front. So $10 for a year, so what, $120, I believe. So anyways, if not, you can go ahead and start doing the month to month. Just keep in mind, starting in October, I believe it's going to go up to $12 a month, which still is a good price. I like Ipsy a lot. I recommend it. But anyway, I'm going to show you what came in here. And Sephora is still $10 a month. So this is the bag we got this month. So it's a jazzy little green bag. Okay, and it says Ipsy. Alright, it comes with a card every month. This one says, "Bear Yourself." And you open it up and it has the items that are in the bag. And so I'll go through them real quick. So it says, "We think you're going to love your 5 glam picks. Don't forget to leave a review. We'll use that info to make your next bag even more personalized." And with Ipsy and Sephora, you will build a profile with them and just tell them about yourself. I'm this age, I have this color hair, this eye color. I'm comfortable with makeup, I'm not comfortable, things like that. And then they try to match you, okay? Alright, so this is the first item I got in there. So here you go. So this is by Belief. It's a moisturizing eye balm. So it says, "This formula is spiked with comfrey leaf and pennywort herb to flood your under eye area with hydration for 26 hours. Whether you want to look more awake or it's time to tuck yourself in, the cooling effect feels refreshing and sends puffiness packing." Says, "Tip, after applying regular moisturizer, use your ring finger to gently pat a pea-sized dab of this cream all around your eye area." Okay, so I always like getting eye cream, so this is something that I'll definitely use because I've got the circles. Y'all know I've said it a million times, or if you're new, you can see it. So anyway, here's the next item I got. Okay, so this is Feel Bright. And it's squalane facial oil. Says this brand, Feel Bright Daily Squalane and Facial Oil. This brand believes that skincare has the potential to change your world, and they're not wrong. This non-greasy formula boasts a blend of squalane, rosehip, and avocado oils to help brighten, firm, plump up, and nourish your skin, and vitamin E to help fight acne and blemishes. Tip, after cleansing, pat a dime-sized amount onto your skin. Feeling extra dry, follow with your favorite moisturizer. Okay, so that was item number 2 for Ipsy. Oh, Pixie. I'm excited to get that. Okay. Pixie's a really good brand. So this is what I got by Pixie. That's a nice size of my cheek, pretty much. Okay. And the color I got is Whisper Pink, and it says it's a fresh face blush. Okay, so it says, "Made by a working mama for," this brand's all about multitasking products that cut down on your prep time. For a flush of color, try this satin finish pink blush. It goes on smooth and blends easily and evenly, so there's no streakiness no matter how quickly you blush up. Tip, dip a fluffy blush brush into Whisper Pink. Tap off any excess. Smile big. See the apples of your cheeks? Swirl the blush onto them and blend in a circular motion. So I'll definitely try this. Pixie's a great brand, so I'm excited for that. So that was item number 3. Okay. That's a cute package. So item number 4. This says Estate Eye Shade. What is my shade? Pipe. P-I-P-E, Pipe. Okay. All of Estate Cosmetics products are cruelty-free, paraben-free, and phthalate free. That's 1, 2, 3, 4 consonants. Phthalate free. Whatever. Anyway, this buttery, buildable, and super blendable eyeshadow doesn't fade easy, and this beautiful burnt orange shade reminds us of a summer sunset. Tip. For a wash of orange, apply Pipe all over your lids and use a fluffy eyeshadow brush to blend up to your brow bones. Okay, I really like that package. I think that's cute. Now, the fact that it's burnt orange, so I'll probably gift this to my mom because she's a diehard Longhorn fan. And if y'all are familiar with the Texas Longhorns, their color is burnt orange. And this is their color all day long. So she would probably love to have this shade. So if not, I'll probably just rub it on her face. I'm just kidding. But no, I'm going to see her this week. So I'm probably going to take this to her. Because this is a shade I know she'll use. And it's perfect for her Texas Longhorn. So that's going to go to Mama. It's pretty though. I like it. Okay, so the last item in here is in bubble wrap. So let me get it out. Okay, so we got a nail polish, which is a nice size, full size. This is by Be Your Incredible Self with Nails by Ink. Nails Ink. Okay. What is the color? The color is called Feelings. And let's see. Nail Ink's professionally formulated vitamin-infused polishes are beloved by nail artists around the world. For a fresh summer mani, try this pretty pearlescent peach shade. It's super glossy, long-lasting, and the ergonomically designed brush makes it easy to apply. Tip, apply Feelings. Oh, it's Feelings. Tip, apply Feelings in 3 stripes, starting from the left of your nail bud, then right, then center. Drag your brush across the tip of your nail to cap it off with color. Okay, so that's that. That's a really pretty color. But again, I think this will go really cute with my mom's new eyeshadow. So I'll probably end up gifting it to her, especially since her birthday is coming up in October. I think I'll take this to Texas and give it to her. But what do y'all think? I think that's a pretty shade. Very natural. Very, very natural and pretty. And this is the inside of the bag. So that was Ipsy. So let me show you. And again, I will link them below. So now let me show you Play by Sephora. So you can get a good comparison between the two in case you've been kind of looking for a box that's a little bit on the cheaper side, or you've been debating between the two of them and you know, kind of have an idea which one would be more, I guess, the box for you. Or you might decide you want both. Never know. Alright. So this is what the box looks like. So it says show off and share. What is it? Show off and share using Sephora, hashtag Sephora Play. All right, so here's the box. You'll get one of these cards every single month, and it is 50 Beauty Insider points. So what happens is if you make a purchase with Sephora, you can redeem this card and they'll add 50 points to your account, okay? And you can redeem them for purchases. So this is just a little handy pamphlet. Looks like they made a comic out of it this month. Okay, and then on the inside, it tells me about my items. And we'll get into it. Okay, so this is the bag that you get with Play by Sephora. So this one's just a plastic bag you throw away. So if you prefer more of a bag that you can keep, that's going to be Ipsy. If you are kind of tired of getting these and you have too many and don't know what to do with them, then this might be your speed too. So, all right, here we go. So the first item I see in here is in a plastic bag, so I'm going to take it out. Okay, so this is Moroccan oil, Moroccan treatment for all hair types. It says the almighty Moroccan oil does it again with its argan oil infused formula that speeds up blow dry time, adds shine, and tames frizz. How to use: apply a dime size amount from mid-length to ends on wet or dry hair. It even helps protect strands from sun damage. So that's Moroccan oil, okay? I'm gonna put that back in the baggie. I like that they put it in the baggie in case it leaked, so it didn't ruin the rest of your stuff. Okay, here's the next item I'm grabbing. Okay, so this is by Laura Mercier. This is Caviar Volume Panoramic Mascara. It says, not that a defender of justice needs more drama, but this glossy black mascara can't help but make a scene. This formula's gentle caviar care complex contains French, mineral-rich, volcanic, and seawater minerals that help condition and moisturize lashes. Okay, so I'm just going to open the boxes. The color is glossy black. I'm going to open the box so you can see the size of the mascara, but I don't want to open the mascara because I have some that I already have open and I don't want to start the life cycle so that it goes expired. Okay. And I can always put stuff like this in a giveaway, so I never want to open them if I'm not sure if I'm going to use them right away. That's item number 2. Right here's the third item. So this is Sunday Riley. It is A+ high dose retinoid serum. It says a retinoid serum with super strength and a gentle side is exactly what you need to combat the look of fine lines, wrinkles, and dark spots. How to use: smooth a dime-sized amount over clean, dry skin before moisturizer at night. And don't forget to wear sunscreen the next day. Okay, so that's Sunday Riley. That's another great brand. Okay, here's the next item. This is by Algenist. It says Genius Sleeping Collagen. Okay, so says keep saving the day even while you sleep with this vegan collagen packed night cream that fights the look of fine line and wrinkles. How to use: massage a pearl size amount onto dry skin as the last step at night. That's when your skin is in optimal recovery mode, so you'll wake up to smoother skin. And then they put a little star down here and it says chosen for your skin concern. And that's probably because I told them that I was trying to worry about aging, fine lines, and wrinkles, and so that's what this helps with. So that's really cool. And again, that's also when you fill out a profile, they'll try to pick things that that cater towards you and your needs. Okay, what's the front? Alright, here's the next item. See if I can get it to go clear. No, you don't want to cooperate? Okay. So this is Biossance Squalance plus Omega Crema Reparatrice. Is there an English side? Yes, there is. I'm so crazy. Okay. Biossance Squalance and Omega Repair Cream. Much better. Okay, it says nourishes and restores skin moisture barrier. And this says dry skin feeling like a damsel in distress, squalane and lipids to the rescue. How to use: defend against the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles by massaging a dime size amount onto clean dry skin in the morning and at night. Okay. Then the last thing in here is by NARS. I'm sure you guys have heard of NARS. So this is Velvet Matte Lip Pencil, and the color I got is Dance Fever. This velvety matte lip pencil in rose brown, that's what it is a rose brown, is easy to use, packs a punch, and fits in your pocket so you can go from civilian to hero in a swipe. How to use this fan favorite pencil as a lip liner or color inside the lines. Its non-drying formula will last from mission to mission. Okay, so one thing I don't know if you guys noticed was I got 6 items with my Sephora and I got 5 items with my Ipsy. Okay, so I do want to point that out. And this is the color Dance Fever, if it would go clear, but it's not. It wants to be fuzzy. Okay. Ooh, that's a nice color. I like terracotta colors, and that reminds me very terracotta. Okay. Open her up, and this is the pencil. So that is Ipsy, the smaller Ipsy package, and that is also Sephora, which is Play by Sephora. I will link them both down below. Please let me know in the comments below. Do you already get them? Are you thinking about getting them? Do you have a preference between the two? I like them both, honestly. I think Sephora, at one point, I wanted to cancel. They were kind of, but they've stepped it up a lot, and I've started to like them a lot better, which is why I kept them around, and I'm glad I did. So, and they're using really good brands, and their sizes have gotten better, so. And like I said, I get 6, and the other one I get 5, but Ipsy I get a bag, so you can kind of say that's 6, so whatever. I like both. They both give me items that I use and enjoy, so anyway. Don't forget you can't spell original without Gina. Love you, and I'll see you in the next video.